Hot Rocks is a conveyor oven with a stone baking surface. This oven allows the pizza man to make a deck oven quality pizza using a conveyor oven. The Hot Rocks oven is ideal for the artisan pizza man who wants the ease of use of a conveyor while getting the quality bake of a stone deck oven. Enjoy the exquisite taste and perfect texture of a pizza baked the old-fashioned way on a baking stone. Hot Rocks is the best stone conveyor oven on the market. The stone surface is made up of a 3/4-inch thick black granite. The high-efficiency burner will supply the right amount of energy to get perfect cooking results on pizza toppings and crust. The Hot Rocks oven will allow the pizza man to control temperature of the stones, top heat, as well as the air speed in the chamber. The adjustable temperature heated air is quickly pushed down to the product surface, eliminating the cool area in the middle of the pizza. All functions of the oven are controlled on the panel. Loading the Hot Rocks oven is easy and can be done two different ways. First, you can simply slide your pizza off a peel directly onto the stone, or you can use the optional entry conveyor and your pizza will easily transfer to the stones. The Hot Rocks is a stone baking surface conveyor oven, which means it is easy to use and creates a quality pizza. This allows the pizza man to speed up baking times on his pizza and decrease ticket times up to 50%. The Hot Rocks oven can replace multiple deck ovens, thus resulting in less labor costs and less confusion in the kitchen. The Hot Rocks is not comparable to other conveyor ovens because they use wire mesh, so the pizza man will have to bake on pans. And the pizza will never get the quality bake as it does in a Hot Rocks. The Hot Rocks oven is ideal for any pizza man who is looking for a quality stone baked pizza in the fastest time possible. Not only will the pizza come out fast, the oven is easy to use and saves you money. When buying a Hot Rocks, a customer can always be sure they are getting the highest quality product on the market and always 100% made in North America.